Hello guys, today I am going to be taking you on a cab tour of this 1970 vintage Montgomery Kone hydraulic elevator. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and approach the call station here. We're going to push up. This is a 4-story apartment complex building. Alright, as we enter the cab, we can see that this is a very sort of ugly freight looking elevator, but this is the mix between the two. You have a freight door which leads to the maintenance room, and then you have this door over here that leads out to the corridors for each floor on the building. We'll get a view of the ceiling, exhaust fan, and the light fixtures. Your smoking signs. This one is under constant video surveillance, which actually I'm videotaping it myself. There's an attention to the residents certificate. You have your displays up there which are incandescent. This doesn't actually work anymore, as they've upgraded this one a long time ago to the LED indicator. This is the control panel, which actually does need maintenance. As you can tell, it's missing screws here and there. This one is a 3,000-pound capacity elevator due to the fact that it is a shared maintenance elevator. Okay guys, let's go ahead and ride up to the 4th floor. I don't know if my microphone can pick up the motor. This one is very quiet. As you can see, the LEDs are starting to wear out inside the indicator lamp. Okay, and this would be the 4th floor. And the door on this elevator has a premature malfunction where it likes to shut a little quick. There's the outside. Let's go ahead and approach the hall call station and head down. While we're standing here, this building does have Gamewell Sentry pull stations, dual action, and wheel lock MT24s from the mid-90s. As you can see, it has a vertical strobe instead of the horizontal one. And these are rebranded by Gamewell. Here's a view of the pull station. Seems like we got residents coming onto the elevator, so I might have to pan it so we can avoid their faces. You can hear the elevator hydraulic motor approaching. All right. Oh, how about that? No people. Here's a view of the track for the door and the proximity sensor. Actually, the down arrow seems to be working today, and we were automatically called downstairs, so we're descending at the moment. All right. that was interesting. Let's go ahead and take the elevator up to 2. Alright, this is the 2nd floor. Yeah, you know what? The entire thing seems to be working today. I do maintenance in these buildings and sometimes they do not want to work for whatever reason. And there's the outside. Here's the up and down hallway call station. And we'll go ahead and call it down. As you can tell, somebody prior to me had drilled this call station with additional screws. Kind of a sloppy job, but here we are back on the elevator, and we're going to go downstairs. This is the final run. Take one more look at the institutional looking cab. Very institutional looking. Retro 80s. Here we go. And I want to show you the number display on the bottom floor here. The call station. There's the fireman's bypass switch. And we go over here, there's the elevator key emergency brake box with an original bronze cover on it, which is very nice. And your obvious signage. Well, that concludes today's video of this 1970 Montgomery Kone hydraulic elevator. Thank you for watching.